Today we're reviewing the 2025 Lamborghini Urus SE, Lamborghini's first plug-in hybrid SUV. Is this the world's most powerful luxury SUV with hybrid tech, or just another status symbol? Stick around for a full review, test drive impressions, and everything you need to know about the new Urus SE. This isn't just a facelift. The Lamborghini Urus SE gets sharper styling, redesigned headlights, a new hood, and a rear diffuser for 35% more downforce. You've still got those aggressive Lamborghini Y-shaped design cues with up to 23-inch wheels. From every angle it screams super SUV. If you're Googling, what does the 2025 Urus look like? This is it. In daily driving, the Urus SE can glide silently in EV mode, but flip into Corsa or Sport mode, and the V8 roars back to life. Handling is sharp thanks to adaptive air suspension, torque vectoring, and massive carbon ceramic brakes. The 2025 Urus SE is a plug-in hybrid with a 4.0L twin-turbo V8 plus electric motor, pushing out 789 horsepower and 700 lb-ft of torque. Lamborghini claims 0-62 mph in 3.4 seconds and a top speed near 194 mph, making this one of the fastest SUVs in the world. Inside, the 2025 Urus SE interior is upgraded with Lamborghini's new endless carousel infotainment system, slicker graphics, and more intuitive drive mode selection. Luxury materials, Alcantara, and a driver-focused cockpit remind you this is no ordinary SUV. Inside, you'll find premium materials like leather and Alcantara, along with advanced tech features such as a 12.3-inch touchscreen infotainment system and a digital instrument cluster. The 2025 Lamborghini Urus SE proves that hybrid doesn't mean boring. It's fast, versatile, and brings Lamborghini into the electrified era without losing its soul. If you're searching, should I buy the 2025 Lamborghini Urus SE? The short answer, yes. If you want a future-proof Lamborghini SUV that can do it all. So if you're wondering, does the Urus SE still feel like a Lamborghini? The answer is absolutely yes. It's brutal when you want it, refined when you don't. The Urus SE outperforms rivals like the Porsche Cayenne Turbo E Hybrid, with faster acceleration and a higher top speed. It's also more powerful than the Aston Martin DBX 707 and Ferrari Purosangue, making it a top contender in the luxury SUV segment. The Urus SE's advanced all-wheel drive system and electronic limited-slip differential provide exceptional handling and stability. The SUV's air suspension offers a comfortable ride, while its carbon ceramic brakes deliver impressive stopping power. The 2025 Lamborghini Urus SE starts at around $266,630, with prices reaching up to $344,926 for fully loaded models. The base price for the UK market is £208. This has been our Lamborghini Urus SE full review. If you enjoyed it, hit like, subscribe, and let me know in the comments. Would you take the hybrid Urus over the pure V8 version?